Welcome to the Pelican booth at the 2018 NAB show. One of the things that we would like to feature this year is our inside the box theme. And what we mean by that is we're going to really stress and point out some of the new value add features that we have inside our products, inside our cases that people are already very familiar with. So one of the things that we've been most successful with over the past few years is our TrekPak product, which allows the consumer to completely rearrange the inside of the case to specify it for their needs, make it more specific to what they're doing. Also, we're doing a lot of things with lid organizers that allows, again, the user, you, to be able to completely customize what comes inside our already durable and extremely valuable case solution. So last but not least, this is a little bit of a hybrid case. We showed you the TrekPak earlier. This allows the customer to completely configure the case to their needs. So as you can see, we have the TrekPak over here, and we have some pick and pluck foam over here that allows you, again, to configure the case for your specific needs.